Cuba, a passionate country. Here, dance is the language of life. Every moment is full of energy and passion. Old Havana tells the story of the past. Here is the interweaving of color and music. The soul of Cuba beats here. Feel its unique pulse. Every step is full of charm. When the setting sun kisses the Shanghai plain, the Maragon seawall is romantic. The dancer breathes with the sea. Feel the caress of the sea breeze. The city silhouette is like a dream. The power of life blooms here. This is a feast for the eyes. Vignals, nature's masterpiece. Here is the fusion of tranquility and nature. The dancers in the fields are free and unrestrained. Indulge in the charm of this land. Feel the warmth of the sun. Every jump is full of life. Cuba's natural gifts. Castle Muro. The watcher of history. A dialogue between the ancient and the modern. Dancing in the echoes of history. The sea breeze blows. The hemline of the skirt is flying. Experience the exotic atmosphere of Cuba. Every step is full of charm. This is Cuba. This is Cuba, waiting for you to find out.